Let's go, we're rolling. Have any of your drawer fronts fallen off? I'm going to show you how to fix it with an even gap easily. For this, you're going to want a drill and an impact driver, T2 or a posi tip, whatever you want to call it, a 2 to 3 mil drill bit, a clamp or two, some painter's tape, 4 25 mil screws, and then optionally you've got some white stickers to cover the screw heads. 2 bits of tape, and we're just going to mark the underside of this drawer, both sides. And then we're going to take this drawer out. If you need to know how to do that, drop me a message. I can show you a video of how to remove drawers. Second, find the drawer face that they've lost. Oh no, I don't actually have the drawer face. Is it underneath? Oh my God. Yes, I've got it. So, find the drawer face, give it a little clean, then we'll continue. I didn't mention these in the video, did I? So you're actually going to need a selection of small packers. You want to get your drawer face, you want to get your small selection of packers. You're going to sit that on there, flush to the end, and you can see the bottom of the drawer above. And that gap's about 6 mil, I'm going to guess. So I'm going to put 3 mil either side and see if I've split the gap nicely. 1, 2, 3. Looks pretty good. 3 mil, 3 mil. Right, you want to grab your clamp or 2. Make sure you're nice and flush at the end. And now, fix her off. Bob's your uncle. Whoosh. As long as you can find the drawer face to yours, you can do that in about 5 minutes. Oh. Make sure your other doors aren't hanging off too. I'm going to fix that next. Nice, even, perfect. On to the next one.